Hello everyone, here's another video of the latest bag that was released by Polène last week, and it is the Nodde Hobo. Actually, I went to Polène on the first day they released the bag, and the Nodde Hobo in black cherry really caught my eyes. But I didn't buy it because I wanted to make up my mind for a couple of days. And guess what? When I returned after 2 days, it was already sold out, both in store and on the website. So I decided to buy the bag in another color, and they call it gallet or stone in English. It looks grey with a slight shade of blue. Not easy to describe the color, but it looks great in person. I have been looking for a new working bag for a while. The Nodde bag is quite small, while the numero 10 is quite a hassle to change the strap. I need a bag with a zipper because, it is safer in Paris carrying a bag with zipper. When this bag came out, I knew it would be my next working bag. It can be used as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, and I don't need to change the strap. The difference between Nodde and Nodde Hobo is that the bottom is not flat as the corners are rounded. Inside the bag is very spacious too. It also has a patch pocket, so I can put my card holder inside. It makes me feel more organized than just having a single compartment inside. So what do you think about this bag? And what do you think about the color? Color palettes are becoming more diverse, and no matter what your style is, Polène will have a bag for you. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video about Polène bags.